Hi, today we are going to see demo for child waste app for PHP project. So first let's see how to start the project. Next we will move for the modules. So first open the XAMPP control panel, then start the Apache and MySQL. Once you click the start button, it will promote you to the green signal. Next go to the MySQL admin. Left side you can able to see your project DB name. So explore the DB. Here you can see the all backend database. Like click any DB name. Here you can see the backend database field names. Next open the Visual Studio Code. First explore your project folder. Here you can see the web folder. The folder have your full source code. It's have a PHP and HTML files and Angular JavaScript files. Then open the readme text file. Here you can see the project URL link and login credentials. Copy the URL, then paste to the web browser. So this is the site web app homepage. It's our three modules: user, admin, and parents. First go to the user. We have to sign up. Go to the register. Here you can register your homepage. So enter the username. User is nothing but it is a child. And give the password. And enter the 10-digit mobile number. Once you fill the field names, click the register. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Now register successfully. You have already registered. You can use your email ID and password. Then log in into the home page. So this is the user home page. User will be add our guardian details and update our location. Once you log in the user home page, it will automatically update your current location. Here you can add the guardian details, enter the guardian mobile number, and give the mobile number, second mobile number, and enter the guardian email. And click the submit button. Now create successfully. Let's go to the view guardian module. Here you can see your guardian detail, and if you want to delete the module, click the delete button. And if you want to upload the photo, go to the photo update, choose the file, then click the submit button. Now update successfully. Let's go to the GEO. Here you can see your location, latitude number, and if you want to send the SMS alert, click the SMS button. Now your emergency SMS alert is sent successfully. Once you click the SMS alert button, your parent will be receive the SMS. Next, go to the website. This is the dummy module. Here you can see the search engine links. You can link the site here. So this is the user home. Next we will move for the admin module. Enter the admin email ID and password, then log in into the admin homepage. So this is the admin home. Admin will be see the child location. Go to the child lat long module. Here you can see the all child details and then you can see the child location here. Then go to the show map. It will promote you to the Google map. Here you can see the child latest location. And then here you can search any field names. It will filter the data. So this is the admin home. Next we will move for the parent login. We have to sign up. Go to the parent register. Here you can register your profile. Then you have already registered. You can use your email ID and password. Then log in into the home page. So this is the parent homepage. Parent will be at the site and view the sites. Then you can view the child geolocation. Go to the add site. Here you can add the site links here and also go to the view site. Here you can see the engine search to see the engine links and if you want to delete you can do it here. Next go to the black site. Here will be black the site here. Select the URL and click the black site. Next go to the child geo. Here you will be see your child current location, latitude, latitude number and go to the show map. You will see your child location. So this is the child waste app for PHP project. Thank you.